Hi there. Getting back onto the F550 shop truck project. Slowly picking away on plumbing, and wiring will be next. Got all our billet parts anodized and installed. Turbos plumbed. Got the frame back from paint. S&B cab mounts in there. 4-link air ride. Just plumbing the in-tank pump. Be dual AEM pumps, 190 gallons per hour. Should be plenty of fuel. Paint and sandblast turned out pretty good. Once it'll be moving by itself, get all new brakes, some fuel wheels, and some Nitto tires for it. It's slowly coming together.